guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So I'm gonna do like the organization, the clean that actually my mom's doing. She got a book, and this book is the sink reflection. It's the fly lady. So this book is all about cleaning, arranging your bathroom, your bedroom, your living room, your kitchen, your basement, your patio, and stuff like that. So she got this book, and this has a lot of information. And I'm gonna do this. I actually started today, so I'm just gonna like read the steps that you need to do. So I wrote them down in this notebook. And what you have to do is before bedtime, before you go to sleep, you gotta start the do list for tomorrow. So if you have anything to do tomorrow, you just make a list. You have to check your calendar for any appointments that you might have tomorrow. These are 17 bedtime routines. The first one was to-do list. The second was check your calendar for tomorrow's appointments. Number 3 will be putting drinking glass in the dishwasher. If you have glasses in your next to your bed, put them in the dishwasher or wash them by hand. Number 4 will be lay out clean dishcloths. Shine your sink. So you just wash all the dishes. Shine your sink. You can shine it with bleach or something with Clorox too. You can shine it. Put clean dishcloths in the sink area. So you shine it well. You clean your kitchen and everything so it's nice and clean. That's number 4. Number 5 will be put magazines away and pick up and put away items in the living room. So if you have magazines laying around there, just pick them up and put them where the magazines go. And then if you have like kids or something, you can just pick up all the toys and put them in a basket. You know, everything. Pick stuff from the living room. That is number 5. Number 6 will be clean up dining table. Make sure the kitchen is clean. So if you have anything on the dining table, take it all off, clean it, make it look nice and cool. Number 7 will be open mail. If you have any mail in your phone or envelopes laying around there, just open them and read them or whatever. Number 8 will be put shoes in a closet. If you have shoes laying around somewhere, put them in your closet. Number 9 will be put clothes away. Lay out clothes for tomorrow. So if you have clothes that you need to put away, put them away, and take your clothes out. What are you going to do tomorrow? So you have them there, so you don't have to like waste your time in the morning what I'm going to wear. So you just do it at night. Number 10 will be wipe off daily sheets. You can just wipe off any daily sheets that you wear, just put new ones. Number 11 is taking medications. If you take medications, take them. If you don't, then don't take them. 12 is brush your teeth. 13 is clean face and moisturizing at night. And then 14, after you gonna lay bed, it says to shout ta-da. I don't know why it says that, but shout ta-da because you did everything at night. 15 is free, read a while or watch TV or something. 16 is snuggle with your sweetie. I mean, snuggle with your husband, boyfriend, or snuggle with your pets, or snuggle with your kids, whatever suits you. And the last one, 17, is to fall asleep. So that is 17 things you do before you go to bed. So I don't actually do all the 17s because I don't have magazines. I don't take any medications. I just wash dishes and clean the kitchen and just have it clean. And then I watch TV. I don't read at night. I just watch TV. And yeah, so that's it. So that's before bedtime. Now in the morning, this is the morning routine when you wake up. So it's set up and wake up time. If you go to school or work, you have your alarm. So set it up. That's number 1. Number 2 is get up. Number 3 is make the bed. Number 4 is get dressed. Now, if you don't have anything to do, then you don't have to get dressed if you don't want to. It's your decision. Number 5 is brush your teeth. Number 6 is clean the sink. If you didn't clean it the day before, then you can just clean it now. The other one is put on makeup or moisturizer. If you're going to work or if you're going to an appointment or whatever, just put your makeup on. Fix your hair. Number 10 is empty dishwasher. If you have a dishwasher, then empty it. Just put all the dishes away. Number 11 is to make coffee. If you guys don't drink coffee, then you guys can drink tea. I drink coffee, so I make coffee. Number 13 will be feed dog, cat, bird, squirrel, or other animals you might have. I have ducks and chickens, so I feed them in the morning, and then dogs I feed them too. 14 is do a load of laundry. Now I don't do load of laundry on Mondays. I have my laundry day on Tuesdays, so I do that on Tuesday. But if you live by yourself, you can do this. 15 is check calendar, make calls. You can sit in your desk and make calls and check your calendar if you have anything to do. Number 16 is check your recycle checkbook. If you have like money stuff or checkbooks or something like that, just check them off. 17 is look at the check calendar list from last night. You can check it out from last night, what you missed, or you can add some if you want to. 18 is taking medications or vitamins. I take vitamins, so I take my vitamins in the morning. Eat breakfast, and after you do all that, check your mail. And if you have to go, then you go. So that is my morning routine. Now we have your basic weekly plan. This is Monday through Friday. So today, like Mondays, I have to mix it up because this book has different things, but you can add your own stuff in there. So Mondays I record for my channel, my YouTube channel. After I do that, you can empty all your trash from the house, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room, whatever. Empty all the trash. You can vacuum your room. So I did this Monday, so I vacuum my room and the living room, and then mop the kitchen and bathroom, clean my room and mirrors and bathroom, so you have to clean your room, dust my room if I have any dust, can do that, but it's only 15 minutes, so you got to put a timer and you do whatever you do, and when the timer ends, then you stop, and then you can continue doing that tomorrow. So you don't have to basically do everything in one day. You can do like I did today. I vacuum my room and the living room, and I mop the kitchen. So that's what I did today. You can do that, or you can just do 2 things at a time and finish your day, and you go about your day. So that's what I did. I vacuumed and I mopped. That's for Mondays. Now Tuesdays is my laundry day, so I do laundry, I record more videos, and if I have time, I'll clean my bathroom and clean my room. So you can mix it up. On Wednesdays is to reminder of cleaning. You can check off what you did and what you didn't do. And Wednesdays is to make sure your refrigerator is clean. So if you have a dirt, clean it. So that's what I'm going to do Wednesdays. I'm going to do cleaning. And if I didn't do my room yesterday, I can do it Thursday or Friday. Now Thursdays are for grocery shopping. You can make your grocery list, or you can actually, Wednesday could be the grocery list, and then Thursdays, it could be the day you go grocery shopping, or you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Fridays is to do the same thing, clean. And if you didn't do anything from Mondays, then you can just do it Friday. And Saturday, Sundays, just chill. You don't do anything. You get to chill. That's the weekly plan. Now, zone number one, zone 3 is bathroom. So if you want your bathroom to be nice and shiny and really clean, then this might be for you. So if you have rugs, wash them. You can scrub the floor or mop it, or you can wax it with the waxer for the floor, or you can just mop. If your floor is not that dirty, then you can just mop it. Clean the shower stone. Clean it with the spray or something that's laying around your house. And if you have shower door, then you can just clean your doors. But if you don't have a door, you have a curtain, then you just clean the curtains. Clean the medicine cabinet. So if you have medicine cabinet, take everything off, clean it, and put everything back up. And throw away any bottles that are not used, and you just have them there. Just throw them away. Keep it nice and clean. So zone 3, I will be probably doing that next week to clean everything off, or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. But that is zone 3. 3 is all about the bathrooms. Make it nice and clean, nice and shiny. Now, zone 4 will be my last one. So zone 4 will be my room. So if you have a master bedroom or a room or a kid's room, then you're just going to polish your furniture with a polish spray. Clean off the desk. If you have a desk in your room and you have messiness, take your time and clean off your desk. Clean cobwebs. If you have some cobwebs, get a broom, clean it, or I get a broom and clean it, or if you want to get the vacuum, you can just clean it. Wash mattress pad. So if you have like mattress pad, clean it or dust it off. And then this one is flip the mattress. Now if you have like kids, dogs, whatever, and they put toys under the bed, then take the mattress off and just clean under the bed. And then empty any trash in your house. Wash windows. This could be like in the summer if your windows are dirty, clean them from inside or outside. If you have some books, like if you have a bookshelf and books are laying around, pick them up, put it back. Straighten your drawers. Now if you have a messiness in your drawers, then take everything off and put them together. And if some clothes don't fit, you're missing some buttons or whatnot, then just take them, put them in the side and sew or throw them away or whatever. And clean under the bed. Now if you have anything under the bed, then you don't have to clean it. So that is for zone 4 is my room. And now the other one is my closet. If you have shelves, top shelves in your closet, then clean it, take it off, clean it. Number 2 is arrange the shoes. Now if you have shoes laying around, arrange them to boots or sandals or tennis shoes or whatever you have there. Arrange them so they're nice and they look nice. Number 3 is take suitcases to bed. If you have suitcases and you have a basement, well, take them to the basement. If you don't have a basement, then you can put them like in another room or in the patio, or I don't know where you can put them. But if you have suitcases, do that. If you have bookshelves, then you dust off your bookshelves. Now if you have shoe boxes, you can just dust them off too and replace them with new shoes. Now if you have boots, the great idea is to grab a magazine, roll it up and put it in your shoe so it's nice and straight, and you can just do everything. And that's all my zones. This book has a lot of information. If you're a clean person and you like to be organized, I think I like this, so I started doing it today. So your house is always clean. You're just gonna do like the full task of cleaning, like mopping and doing all that stuff is like Mondays, but like Tuesdays just clean a little bit. So your house is always clean. This book has a lot of information about the Seeing Reflections. I really like it. You can order this from eBay or I'll link the website of this book so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested, if you guys are clean persons and you don't have any time to clean your house or whatever. This book has a lot of information, and I just took out the ones that are for me. You don't really have to copy this book. You can just change some of your own things that you do regularly. So yeah, so I love this book. I find it really like interesting. So it's the Fly Lady. This is a little fly lady right here. So that's what it's called. And yeah, so it has a lot of information. I'll link the website so you guys can learn more about it. And I really love doing this because for me, first thing, I'm not an organized person. I'm just not. So this helps me with organizing. Cleaning, I'm a clean person, so I like to clean. Sometimes my room is a little bit dirty because I'm too lazy and just put clothes in there, but for now that I have to clean my room, then I'll clean it because sometimes I'm just lazy to clean my room. So yeah, this helps me a lot, and if you guys want to keep your house clean, you know, this is a really good book to clean it. But yeah, this is all I wanted to show you guys and talk about it. And if you guys ever heard about this Seeing Reflection Fly Lady, you know, thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Put a big thumbs up and push that subscribe button if you guys like this. And I hope you guys like the Sims that I'm uploading and playing. And I'm playing number 2 right now. It's a very old game, but I love it. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this, and I will see you guys in my other video. Bye guys.